How to make small talk in English with anyone in 5 minutes.
What if I told you that you could strike up interesting conversations with strangers in just 5 minutes? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's possible with these easy-to-follow tips. Whether you're an introvert or an extrovert, small talk is an essential skill to navigate social situations and build connections. So let's dive in and discover some easy ways to engage in small talk with anyone. First, let's define small talk. Small talk is a light, informal conversation we have with others when we don't want to dive into deep or personal topics. It's a way to gently establish rapport and get to know someone better. Now, let's explore some tips and tricks to make small talk a breeze. Starting the conversation. So, how do you initiate small talk? Well, there are several conversation starters and questions you can use to break the ice. Here are a few ideas. Introduce yourself with a bit of information like, "We always have coffee at the same time, but we've never spoken before. My name is James." Ask about their day with questions like, "How was your day?" or "How has your day been so far?" Share information about your day and keep a balance of talking and listening. Comment on the location you're in, like, "I love your shoes today. They pull your outfit together." Find a mutual friend or common interest to talk about, like, "My cousin mentioned you last night. I didn't know you knew her. Where did you meet?" Universal small talk topic. When it comes to small talk, there are some universal topics that almost anyone can relate to. These topics are safe conversation starters, especially when speaking to a group. Here are a few examples. "Your sense of style is fantastic. Who do you draw your inspiration from?" "Did you watch the Oscars last week? I can't believe Leonardo DiCaprio finally won one." "That basketball game yesterday had me glued to my seat. Wasn't that a great save at the very end?" Situational small talk. Small talk can also be situational, meaning you observe something about your environment and work it into a conversation. Here are some ideas for different situations. "How was your weekend?" or "How's your day going?" "It's nice outside today, isn't it?" Or "Do you have any exciting plans after this interview?" "How is your day going?" or "What's your favorite book?" With a stranger, weather, hobbies, food, books, family, pets, work, studies, current events, trends, holidays, and music. Tips for successful small talk. Here are some quick tips to enhance your small talk experience. Ask open-ended questions to encourage the other person to talk and open up. Practice active listening to forge stronger connections and remember details for future conversations. Put away your phone to avoid sabotaging your conversational efforts. Show your enthusiasm and view small talk as an opportunity to learn about others. Avoid ultra-controversial or sensitive topics like religion, politics, and personal views. So there you have it. Effective communication is a valuable skill that can open doors in both personal and professional life. Let's learn how to master the art of small talk and build stronger connections. Small talk doesn't have to be scary or awkward. With these tips and conversation starters, you can easily engage in small talk with anyone, anywhere. Remember, small talk is a skill, and with practice, you'll become a pro at it. Keep practicing, and don't forget to have fun while making new connections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your small talk experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.